Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 47th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can count the number of arguments that have been passed to a subroutine. This is going to be a really short and simple tutorial, and I have already created a script. It's called args underscore number, and in the script on line number 3 I have created a subroutine called count me, and of course I've used the sub keyword to do that. And then on line number 8 I have made a call to this subroutine, and I've passed three arguments to it. The first two are numbers, number 1 and 2, and then the third argument is a string of text. I know what you did last summer. So what we are trying to do is, display the number 3 on screen. Basically that's what we're trying to do, because there are three arguments that have been passed and we want to know the number that the number of arguments that have been passed. So inside the subroutine, within the body, all you have to do is assign the @_ special list, which holds the arguments that have been passed to the subroutine count me to a scalar variable num. And you don't have to name this variable num, you could name it anything. And if you do not like simply assigning array variables to scalar variables, we've already seen this in the course earlier when we understood how we can count the number of elements in an array variable. We followed the same approach, but there's also a function called scalar that you can use around your array variable if you want to make things if you want to make things look more neat. But anyway, this will get the job done. So the output would be stored in the variable num, and that output would be the number of arguments that have been passed. So the next thing for us to do is to display that number on screen, and that's why I have a print statement on line number 6, which is first going to display the text, the number of arguments passed. It's going to show an equal to symbol, and then it's going to display the value stored in the variable num. And I'll make sure this file is saved, and I'll press F5 to run the script, and there we go. We see that the number of arguments passed is equal to 3. Now I'm going to make a slight change. After this string of text, I'm going to pass another numeric value 4, and I'll rerun the script by pressing F5, and there we go. We see that the number of arguments passed is 4. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.